Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make PC turn off after a certain time. So to do that, you just head over to the search section and search for run and head over there. And now you need to do is write shutdown space hyphen s space dash t. And now you have to give space again and write the time or after which you want your PC to be shut down. So let's say I want it to shut down after 10 minutes. So it will do is just to write 600. So here 600 means seconds, so 600 seconds for 10 minutes. So it will be 600. So once you just tap on OK, your PC will be just just set for shutdown after 10 minutes. So after doing that, if you change your mind or don't want your PC to shut down after 10 minutes, what you need to do is just to go to search and go to run again and write shutdown. And here now write space dash a. Now once you tap on OK, your settings or timer will be turned off. So yeah, this is how you can turn off PC after a certain time. Hope this video helps and we'll see you in the next video.